So hey guys, Samsung is expected to announce the Galaxy Note 20 series of flagship phones in August. The lineup is likely to include two devices named Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus. Last week, the CAD renders of the Galaxy Note 20 were released by Picktop publication in partnership with XLeak 7. Now the same publication is back with renders of the more advanced Galaxy Note 20 Plus smartphone designed by popular tipster OnLeaks. The publication reported that the Galaxy Note 20 Plus has a 6.9-inch curved AMOLED display with a top center position punch hole selfie shooter. In comparison to the Galaxy Note 20 is expected to come with a smaller screen size of 6.7-inch display. It was also reported that the Galaxy Note 20 S Pen stylus compartment is repositioned to the left side. The renders of the Note 20 Plus shows that its S Pen slot has been shifted to the left side. The other things that can be found on bottom edge of the Note 20 Plus are an external speakers, a USB Type-C slot and a noise cancelling microphone. The Note 20 renders also showed that the volume and power buttons are present inside. The same can be seen on the Note 20 Plus as well. There is a camera module placed at top left corner of the Note 20's back panel. Three cameras have silver rings around them and the third one is a periscope lens. A 3D TF sensor seems to be present below the LED flash unit. A laser autofocus unit and a microphone are the other elements that can be seen in the camera setup of the Note 20 Plus. Rumors also suggest that the Note 20 Plus will feature a 108 megapixel primary shooter just like the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The publication did not reveal any other information on the other specs of the Galaxy Note 20 Plus. The handset may arrive with Snapdragon 865 or Exynos 992 SoC version depending on the market. So that is it in today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about these renders of the Galaxy Note 20 series, and I'll catch you in my next video.